welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, as you can see before you, we have a yard machine's snowblower, and we're going to change the oil before the winter sets in. We're lucky in this case because on top of the gas tank there's a nice sticker that the manufacturer has provided, and right here it tells us the recommended grade of oil, which is 5W30. And today we're going to use the Pennzoil 5W30 to breathe new life into this oil reservoir. So follow me and watch along. We're going to need two tools, a little small ratchet with a 10mm socket, and a little pair of channel locks. Right here is where our drain plug is, and there's a little drain bolt right in the end. Sometimes the fill tube wants to turn, so we're actually going to hold that in the little slot so that it cannot turn. There. That's already pretty loose. Now we're going to let this go here. We don't want to drop this into that oil pan. Well, that oil is surely ready to be done. It's black. It should be a nice golden color. Just take that dipstick out. We're going to let this baby drain right out of here. Notice we're collecting the oil because we will recycle it and bring it back to an oil change dealer later. It's a good idea to check the oil of your small engines. It's one of the major causes of engine failure for snow blowers, lawnmowers, weed eaters, and leaf blowers. You can see it coming out of there quite nicely. It's probably going to be about a half a liter. This is a 1 liter container, or just under 1 liter, 946 mLs, but this will do the job. You'll see it's coming out of there quite nicely. It shouldn't be black and watery. It should be nice and golden and thick. In a few minutes we'll see this old snowblower suck in some nice golden oil. In the meanwhile, the little dipstick I took from the top, if you look in a little closer, you can take a look at the low and high level oil marks right there. So we can use this as a dipstick after we fill some oil. And the low is at the bottom tip, and the high is right where my index finger is. Still taking a little while there. For this job, we also have a little funnel, which we're going to use to try to avoid spillage. While we're waiting for the oil to drain, we'll take the cap off. There we go. It's coming out of there quite nicely. Shouldn't be too much longer. I know everybody today is in a big rush, but some things take time. See, we're cooking with gas there. And we got a beautiful afternoon to do this, wouldn't you say? Look at the sun is shining. We just have to wait a little bit longer. What we're going to do is we're going to back that up with a little bit of golden oil to flush the dirty oil out there. The last little bit. I can see the oil coming out of our little drain tube is now starting to look golden, so that little bit of flush we've done. Here, we'll put a little bit more in. That's great right there. We're now going to put our little drain plug back in again. And we're going to give this a little snug. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead. If you want to come up and take a little look, we're going to come ahead. We're going to pour some of this oil in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our little dipstick back in. And if you can read right there, it looks like we're pretty good right there. And that's how you change the oil in a small engine like a snowblower. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw today, press the subscribe button, press the like button. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye.